So I've got this package. This is from Harley Davidson. Started already, so let's have a look what's in it. So this is the trim for the headlight. To change the look. So it's got like a yeah, so it's got like a little don't know what you call it, it's machined out. You're a Harley Davidson owner's wife now, Em. So yeah, this is not cheap for what it is. So I take on the bike at the moment, it's got a chrome piece around the headlight. Imagine that's the front of the bike. The chrome piece comes off and then this bit goes on, so it matches the colour of the headlight. So it makes it all black. So that'll be fun fitting that. It's like Christmas in our house. Emma ordering stuff. She's studying. And we have 2 packages come through, so let's have a look. Brad is all geared up, ready.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
That looks pretty cool.
Show me, Brad.
Woo!
I do believe we have a NERF war that is going to start very soon. So what's this one? This is a what's that? Rough cut 2x4. You know what that means? Emma's unpacking the last gun. Bradley's got his gun. What have you got, Brad? What model you got? Rough
cut 2x4.
Oh, what was this one? Oh, this is a different one. I've got the Disruptor. Jesus, dyslexic. And you've got the same, Em?
Yeah.
Brad's got that gun. Emma ordered these on her own without us knowing. So who's the big kid, Em? And what we're going to do tonight, because we're in this house now, we're going to turn all the lights off.
No, we're not.
And we're going to spread out around the house in the dark and then just try and not get shot in the face.
Do I have to... Oh, pull that back, yeah?
Yeah, you got to learn to shoot it.
Let's pull this way. All
right.
I got it. But that.
So I'm going to try and actually mount a GoPro on one of these guns just for extra, like, FPS gaming tastic, shoot them in the face fun.
Oh, Brad, take that please.
I feel like.
Oh, dropping everything. All these boxes there.
Wait,
Can we use the boxes to make like forts and stuff?
Hey.
Oh, Jesus! Brad!
Oh, 2 came out.
What did we say? No shooting.
I shouldn't have
2 came out at a time.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that's what I thought it would do. So we're doing a kind of capture the flag thing in our house. So Emma was in the conservatory, Bradley was in his bedroom upstairs, and I was in the utility, and we put like a flag thing by the front door, and we had to try and get it before we got shot. If anyone gets shot, they have to respawn back in their spawning area, if you like, and then come and try and get it again. So Emma's won the first one, I won the second one. The only reason I'm wearing these, obviously, is for eye protection. So yeah, it's a bit of fun, I've actually got a GoPro mounted to the gun. I tried it underneath, so we'll see what this comes out like for some slow-mo action. So, game 3, game on.
4,
3, 2, 1, go! Three, 2, 1, go! Oh. I've got it! Oh yeah.
I need to get the loo quickly. Can I be downstairs as well? Brilliant.
I'll go upstairs then. So I've got to put this car battery on my car. I said to you about checking to see if your car was flat from the lockdown, and mine's flat. So I have to put this battery in. Wow, that's bright. I'm basically a mechanic anyway. Just broke the little clip off. Okay, need more tools. Right, got some more tools. Just tried to sort the car out. Haven't got the right tools to take the battery off the clamp, and so we went to get another car to go to the shop and get some tools. That won't start either. So, you know, like, is it me? I never have the correct tools for the job, and I've never really ordered a full set, so I think I need to order a whole set of tools. Or maybe I'm just bored from being stuck in for the last 6 weeks. Anyway. So the other day I tested my microphone. Just check if I've still got the files. Let's see if I deleted it. Oh no, so you heard.
So I'm just.
Yes, heard how muffled it is.
I'm actually going out on a road, unexpected.
So it sounded really muffled, and so I decided to buy something for the microphone, and that has just come. So let's have a look what this is. It cost me only about, I don't know, £5 or something. So this, I've got 2 of them, and this will sit. I can kind of open it up a little bit. I guess it's true, you kind of get what you pay for, right? So let's test it with this on, because I might have to put some around there like that. That still should be better. And then just, I don't know. So let's do another test now, just to see if it's actually going to work. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, this is a test to check if the dead cat is going to be working. The last one was very muffled, and hopefully this is going to be clear. Hello, hello, hello. Let's check to see if it's clear. I'm going to put it sort of here in the helmet, so hopefully this won't be too muffled while here. So I've checked the kind of waveform, and if we have a look, I'm just going to save that one and just change it to dead cat test. Dead at test, I'll do. Save. So if we look at the first time and we view it, so you can see it kind of
yesterday it wouldn't go at all, so it's, yeah, it's just...
So you can see it kind of spiking off the outside the waveform. So let's have a look and see if that one's the same.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, this is a test to check if the dead cat is going to be working. The last one was very muffled, and hopefully this is going to be clear. Hello, hello, hello. Let's check to see if it's clear. I'm going to put it sort of here in the helmet, so hopefully...
I think that's better. Just go and check the other one again.
Sorry? Oh, yeah.
So it is better, but I need to kind of secure that with something to make sure it's actually right in, and maybe just put some elastic band around it or something. Hopefully that'll be good to go. So I've got another package. This time off seems to be nothing but ordering stuff, and a guy called Mark has proper hooked me up with a visor for this helmet. Now this is quite an old helmet. I will be getting another helmet. Harley Davidson threw in a helmet as part of the deal for my bike. This is an old helmet that I've had for a while, and unfortunately the company that sent me this visor do visors for all different types of helmets. I didn't think they'd do one for this, so I sent them an email, and they pointed me to the website that showed me that they do have visors for this helmet, but at the time it said all the ones that I wanted were out of stock. So I emailed the company just to say, is it exactly the right visor for this helmet, and do you do them, so I could order one for the future. And this guy called Mark, let me just check his name. Yeah, Mark sorted me out. He said, I've still got some visors here. It will say they're out of stock on the website, which it did, but he got this one sent to me. So I'm going to put it on the helmet and see what it looks like. Now of course this visor is not road legal. So of course I won't be using it on the road, of course. Of course. So let's have a look what it's like with it on. Maybe I won't be able to see. Oh, so bright. Why is it so bright? Yeah, baby. Big thanks to Mark for hooking me up with that. So I'm getting a few things ready for when we get back to normality. This hair is growing, so soon I'll have to like comb it and everything. When I had my hair cut, it was because of my son who done it over Facebook Live, and he said I wouldn't shave it all off, so you know I had to do it, and now it's growing back. I think it is going to grow back all grey, but what can I do? So I'm going to end this video here. That is it from me. Make sure you like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I will see you on the next video. What do we do? Oh yeah.